Okay, ladies and gentle dudes, today I'm going to do my unboxing of the Conquest Last Argument of Kings. I'm going to do the Jarl model. Here it is in the shiny plastic. Take our blade. Now, I know the infantry are plastic. I'm not sure about the HQs. Okay, this looks resin. Save the box there. Cut this open. Yeah, definitely resin. Okay. Cool little card. Set that off to the side. Now, I'm going to take my clippers, do a little bit of cleaning up. And wow, there's actually not that much to clean up. Look at the detail in that. Look at the detail in that, man. That's crazy. Well, I'll clean off what I have to, and then you'll see that, and we'll come back.